Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry Made Easy with Monica. So now we are today studying chemical properties of acids and bases. First property which we are going to study is the reaction of metals with acids and with bases. Whenever an acid reacts with a metal, it will give salt and hydrogen gas will be released. For example, 2HCl plus Zn gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Whenever a metal reacts with acid, it will give salt and hydrogen gas. Same way, whenever a base reacts with a metal, it gives salts and hydrogen. 2NaOH plus Zn gives Na2ZnO2, which is called a sodium zincate, and hydrogen gas is released. Now, how do we understand that the gas which is released is hydrogen? उसके लिए तो टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो टेस्ट क्या है? Hydrogen gas released can be tested by bringing a burning matchstick near gas bubbles. It will put off with a popping sound. मतलब क्या? जब आप एक जलती हुई माचिस की तीली अपने टेस्ट ट्यूब के माउथ पे लाएंगे जहाँ से गैस रिलीज हो रही है, तो वहाँ से वो माचिस की तीली बुझ जाएगी और एक पॉप करके साउंड आएगी, पॉप साउंड, और साउंड के साथ साथ माचिस की तीली बुझ जाएगी. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पॉपिंग साउंड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस. Second reaction of metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate with acids and bases. Metal carbonate मतलब CO3, hydrogen carbonate मतलब HCO3. जब भी acid reacts with either metal carbonate और metal hydrogen carbonate, जिसको पहले हम bicarbonate भी बोलते थे, it will always give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. 2HCl plus Na2CO3. What is Na2CO3? Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate. It will give salt NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water. HCl plus NaHCO3. It will also give NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. अच्छा, ये जो गैस निकली ये CO2 है, उसका कैसे पता चलाएंगे? CO2 can be tested by passing it through lime water, which turns milky. What is lime water? CaOH whole twice. CaOH whole twice plus CO2 will give CaCO3. अब ये CaCO3 का एक प्रेसिपिटेट बनेगा वाइट कलर का, साथ में वाटर मिलेगा. ये जो वाइट कलर का CaCO3 का कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का प्रेसिपिटेट मिला है, इस पे अगर आप और ज़्यादा CO2 पास करेंगे, पानी तो ऑलरेडी है, H2O ऑलरेडी है, तो क्या होगा? वो जो आपका वाइट प्रेसिपिटेट बना है ना, इट विल डिसअपियर, मिल्कीनेस डिसअपियर. वो जो वाइट मिल्की प्रेसिपिटेट बना है, इट विल डिसअपियर. क्यों डिसअपियर हो जाएगा? बिकॉज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज फॉर्म्ड. Calcium hydrogen carbonate is formed, which is soluble in water. Now when this is soluble in water, the milkiness of that will be disappeared. Now there is a reaction of acid with marble or with eggshell will also produce CO2 as it is made up of CaCO3. अगर ये CaCO3 की बात कर रहे हैं हम, और ये मार्बल जो होता है वो भी CaCO3 है, आपका एग का जो शेल होता है वो भी CaCO3 है. आप उसका किसी का भी रिएक्शन अगर कराएंगे, किसी में भी आप अगर CO2 पास करेंगे, it will produce CO2 as they are made up of calcium carbonate. Now if I am reacting a base with a metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, there will be no reaction at all. Next is reaction of acids and bases with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे react करेंगे acid और base? Acid plus base gives salts and water. This is called as neutralization reaction. A reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. सबसे easy वाला हम लेते हैं. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. यहाँ पे कैसा सॉल्ट बन रहा है, स्ट्रॉन्ग सॉल्ट बन रहा है, एसिडिक सॉल्ट बन रहा है, बेसिक सॉल्ट बन रहा है, न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट बन रहा है, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एसिड और व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बेस यू आर टेकिंग. If the strong acid is reacted with weak base, acidic salt will be formed. If strong base is reacted with weak acid, basic salt will be formed. Strong acid, strong base, neutral, weak acid, weak base, neutral salt. In all the four cases, salt and water is formed because it is a neutralization reaction. Now reaction of metallic oxides with acid. Metallic oxide का acid के साथ क्या reaction होगा? Metallic oxide plus acid again gives salt and water. Metallic oxide plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2O. Now this metallic oxide is always basic in nature. This metallic oxide is basic in nature. So if we put a red litmus in this metallic oxide, it will turn blue. Reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. So non-metallic oxide plus base gives salt and water. CO2 plus CaOH whole twice gives CaCO3 plus H2O. Now this non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. एसिड का मतलब अगर हम ब्लू लिटमस इसमें डिप करेंगे तो इट विल चेंज टू रेड बिकॉज एसिड टर्न्स ब्लू लिटमस रेड. नाउ द लास्ट थिंग दैट इज द समरी ऑफ ऑल द 5 reactions. Reaction of acids and bases. Acid, if it reacts with metal carbonate, it will give salt, CO2, water. If it reacts with metal, it will give salt and hydrogen gas. If acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, it will give salt, carbon dioxide, water. If acid reacts with metallic oxide, it gives salt and water. Acid reacts with base, it gives salt and hydrogen. Same way, base, if reacts with metal, gives salt and hydrogen. If a base reacts with metal carbonate, no reaction. If a base reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, no reaction. If a base reacts with acid, neutralization reaction, it forms salt and water. If a base reacts with non-metallic oxide, it forms salt and water. So if you learn this summary, you can solve any question given on this topic. So with this I come to end of chemical properties of acids and bases. Next video I will be telling you about acids or base in water solution, that is about dilution of acids and basic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry Made Easy with Monica. So now I am here with second classification, that is classification of bases from second chapter, acid, bases and salts. So classification of bases can be done in 3 ways: based on ionization, based on concentration, based on their acidity. Now what is acidity of base? That we will understand. First of all, on the basis of ionization, there can be 2 types of bases: strong base and weak base. Now what is a strong base? These bases ionize completely. जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल बेस के होंगे सॉल्यूशन में वो सब के सब आयोनाइज हो जाएंगे. कंप्लीट आयोनाइजेशन. यहाँ देखिए B+OH था तो जितने भी B और BOH थे वो सारे की सारे अलग अलग हो गए. जैसे सपोज यहाँ हम NaOH ले लें तो जितने भी NaOH के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो सब के सब ब्रेक हो जाएंगे और अलग हो जाएंगे. ये KOH है तो वो भी ब्रेक होके अलग अलग हो जाएंगे Na+ और OH- या K+ और OH- में. Whereas weak bases they ionize partially. 100% इनका आयोनाइजेशन नहीं होगा, they ionize partially. Some of the molecules of BOH, what is B? B stands for NH4OH or Ca. any metal, ion. So they are not ionized completely. Two of them are still remaining to be ionized. So when there is partial ionization, it is a weak base. Where there is a complete ionization, there is a strong base. Now if we talk about the concentration of base, on the basis of concentration, how can we classify? See, first of all, any base which is dissolved in water is called as alkali. So we will not say concentrated base and concentrated or dilute base. We will say concentrated alkali and dilute alkali. Why? Because all those bases which dissolve in water are called as alkalis. They are no more bases. They are not called bases. Now they are bases, but they are not called bases. Now they are called as alkalis. So what is an alkali? An alkali having relatively higher percentage of alkali. That is what? OH in its aqueous solution. That is a concentrated alkali. And dilute alkali is the alkali having relatively lower percentage of alkali or OH ions in its solution. Now based on its acidity, what is acidity of base? Number of ionizable hydroxide ions, OH ions present in one molecule of base. For example, if I say KOH or NaOH, only one OH is present. So it is called as monoacidic base. A base which ionizes to give one OH ion per molecule. That is monoacidic base. In my previous video, I have told you about monobasic acid. So here, that was classification of acid. Now here it is classification of base. So it is monoacidic base. What is diacidic base? It ionizes to give 2 OH ions per molecule. CaOH whole twice or MgOH whole twice. Triacidic base, it ionizes to give 3 OH ions per molecules. AlOH whole thrice. FeOH whole thrice. So it will break from here and it will give 3 OH ions. If it breaks from here, it will give 3 OH ions. Now what is the difference between a base and alkali? Very important question from examination point of view. All bases do not dissolve in water. Those bases that dissolve in water are called alkali. That means alkali is also a base, isn't it? But all bases are not able to dissolve. That is why all bases are not alkali, but all alkalis are bases. It neutralizes acids. The base can neutralize acid. कौन से base करते हैं? Generally ZnOH whole twice, CuOH whole twice, and this alkali, it releases OH ions except proton. It releases OH ions and then it accepts protons. So this is the difference between base and alkali. Now let us come to the classification of salts. First of all, how is a salt formed? A salt is formed when an acid reacts with a base. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced after the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Acid and base reactions are neutralization reactions. Because they neutralize each other, then only a product is formed. They are electrically neutral. They may be transparent, opaque, odorless, colorless, or colored. This is all about salts. What are the properties of salts? Now salts can be classified as neutral salt, acidic salt, basic salt, or double salt. What is a neutral salt? When a strong base reacts with strong acid, it gives a salt whose pH is 7. Then that means NaOH is a strong base, HCl is a strong acid, they give NaCl. NaOH strong base, H2SO4 strong acid, Na2SO4 neutral base. Along with that, all the time they will be giving water molecule. So KOH plus HCl, KCl plus H2O. This is all about neutral salts. If we talk about acidic salts, when the reaction is between weak base and strong acid, NH4OH, weak base. Strong acid, HCl is strong acid, H2SO4 is strong acid. Now when this weak base reacts with any of the strong acid, it will give a acidic salt. It will give a acidic salt along with water. Now the pH of this acidic salt will be lower than 7. What are basic salts? When a weak salt reacts with strong base. Base strong है यहाँ पे. Salt weak है. This is carbonic acid. This is acetic acid. This acid is weak. Base is strong. So it will form a basic salt. Na2CO3, washing soda and sodium acetate along with water. Now this double salts, this you will be doing in your 11th and 12th. Just I am giving you an equation, definition. Double salts are formed by the combination of saturated solution of two simple salts in equimolar ratio followed by crystallization. Example is potash, alum. These three are important for your 8th, 9th and 10th. This you will be doing in your senior classes. So I am just giving you definition of the double salt. Okay, so now we have done with classification of bases and salts in this video. Next video I will be giving you chemical properties of acids and bases. Till then, bye bye, take care.